Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating another massive win. First, see this before picture of our GOAT setup, and now see this after picture. My lines are so accurate. We've just hit our fourth take profit target on hashtag GOAT, and the setup has played out perfectly. This is a testament to the power of technical analysis. Now for what's next, if the price can consolidate above the previous range resistance at 0.10200, I expect to see another 10 to 15% bull move. This is what happens when you follow the right analysis. Now before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.